Welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video, we'll be solving one very interesting and challenging question from Bangladesh Mathematical Olympiad 2018. I will be solving this question in two ways. So let me write here method number 1. And this method is using algebraic manipulation. So I will begin with our left hand side, which we can write x times 2 minus x, and then we'll put whole square. Now we have to use manipulation. Can we write x as 1 minus 1? This is 0. Then we can write our x. This is x. Now we have to write 2 minus x. 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. This is 2. Then minus x. Then we will put whole square. This is our LHS only. Now I can write here 1 minus, in the bracket 1 minus x. Then we'll put one curly bracket. So we have to use rectangular bracket also. In second bracket, we have to write 1 plus 1 minus x. Then we'll put whole square. Now if I will consider 1 as a, 1 minus x, if we will take b, then here we have a, this is our b. If I will write only this square bracket or rectangular bracket, I can write a minus b times a plus b. Here we can use difference of two squares formula, a square minus b square. So our left hand side would be 1 square is 1 minus b square, 1 minus x whole square, and then we have a square bracket with part 2. This is our LHS so far. Now we will write RHS. 1 plus 2 times 1 minus x whole square. Now you can see we have 1 minus x whole square, 1 minus x whole square. So this may be our substitution. Let us say 1 minus x whole square is u. So I will write here 1 minus x whole square, and then we'll put whole square, complete square. RHS is unchanged, 1 plus 2 times 1 minus x whole square. Now let us say 1 minus x whole square equal to u. So we can write our equation in variable u. 1 minus u whole square. In the LHS, in RHS we will write 1 plus 2 times u. Now we will use a minus b whole square. We will write 1 plus u square minus 2u equal to 1 plus 2u. Now we will subtract 1 from both the sides. So I can write u square minus 4u equal to 0. Now we will take u common out. U minus 4 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we can write either u equal to 0 or u equal to 4. Now u was our substitution, 1 minus x whole square. So we are going to write here 1 minus x whole square equal to 0 and 4. So we have to solve two equations. 1 minus x whole square equal to 0. 1 minus x whole square equal to 4. I will take square root both sides. We will get 1 minus x equal to 0. So from here we will write x equal to 1. This is our first solution, I would say. With multiplicity, multiplicity 2, as we have power 2. Now we will solve second equation. We will write 1 minus x whole square equal to 4. 4 is 2 square. We will take a square root both sides. So 1 minus x will be equal to plus minus 2. Or I can write x will be equal to 1 minus plus 2. Value will be 1 minus 2, 1 plus 2. So I can write here x equal to negative 1, x equal to 3. So in total we have 4 solutions of our quartic equation. If I will write here x equal to 1 with multiplicity 2, so I can write 1 and 1. Then we have minus 1, then we have 3. This is our method number 1. Now method 2 is the conventional one. So let me write here method 2. Here we will expand LHS, expand RHS. So I will write here x square. Now we will apply 2 minus x whole square formula. Will be equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. In RHS we will write 1 plus 2 times. In the bracket we can write x square minus 2x plus 1. Or we can write x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square plus 1 2 times x square minus 4x plus 2. Now we will take all the terms to LHS. We will get x power 4 minus 4x cube, 4x square minus 2x square. So we can write plus 2x square. Then we will be writing plus 4x. And then we will write minus 3 equal to 0. Now this is one quartic equation which we will solve using rational root theorem and synthetic division method. So we need to know the eligible factors of constant 3. I can write plus minus 1, plus minus 3. Leading coefficient is 1. So we will write factors plus minus 1. Now we will take ratio of constant to leading coefficient, and in this series if I will consider x equal to 1, or simply by adding the coefficient of quartic equation, if we will plug in x1, 1 minus 4 plus 2 plus 4 minus 3. So 4 and minus 4 will be over. 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 3. So yes, x equal to 1 is one root of this quartic equation. So we can use here synthetic division method. In this method we used to write all the coefficients of quartic equation. Coefficient of x power 4 is 1, coefficient of x cube minus 4, coefficient of x squared 2, coefficient of x 4, constant minus 3. We'll put one line over there. Leading coefficient 1 would be unchanged. Now we have to multiply the leading coefficient and the base solution. And we'll multiply 1 times 1, we have to write here. Then we will use these two numbers for addition. So minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Again 1 times minus 3, we have to write here minus 3. Then we will add these two, we will get minus 1. Again base solution 1 times minus 1 will be minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Addition of these two will give us 0. So here we have coefficients for cubic equation. I can write x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3 equal to 0. Let me write here x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3 equal to 0. If I will put x equal to 1 or simply add all the coefficients 1 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3. So yes, it is satisfying our equation. So I can write x equal to 1 is again the root of this cubic equation simply by adding the coefficients. Now we will take SDM method once again for this cubic equation. Let's write all the coefficients. 1 minus 3 minus 1 3. Put one line over there. Leading coefficient 1 would be as it is. Now we have to multiply our base solution for this cubic equation and leading coefficient 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. 1 times minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 1 plus minus 2 is minus 3. 1 times minus 3 is minus 3. Addition of these two will give us 0. So these are coefficients for quadratic equation, which we can write x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this equation. We can use method of factorization. Let me write here x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we will split minus 2x. So I can write x square, then we will write plus x, and then we can write minus 3x. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Then we have minus 3 equal to 0. From first two terms we can take x common. So in the bracket x plus 1. From last two terms we can take minus 3 common out. In the bracket we can write x plus 1 equal to 0. Now factorization is done. X plus 1 times x minus 3 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will be getting minus 1 and 3 as our solutions. So using rational root theorem and synthetic division method, if I will write x 1, 2, 3, 4, we can write our base solutions, 1 for quartic, 1 for cubic, then we have quadratic roots minus 1 and 3. I hope friends you will like these methods. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye.